Hello, this is Mrs. Cooper with the weekly update for the week of May 1st, 2020. Here are some upcoming events. High school virtual graduation will be Tuesday, May 26th at 6 o'clock p.m. Middle school virtual graduation will be Thursday, May 28th, also at 6 o'clock p.m. I emailed 8th and 12th grade parents and asked them to please email me 3 pictures of their students during their school career. We already have the yearbook pictures. We need these pictures before May 15th. Kindergarten will also have a virtual graduation. Kindergarten parents, please email me 3 baby pictures of your child before May 15th. The date of kindergarten virtual graduation will be announced soon. Next week is Teacher Appreciation Week. Parents, please show your students' teacher some love and gratitude with some nice email messages. The elementary campus will be holding an online Scholastic Book Fair. The book fair runs from May 4th to May 17th. I will email parents the link to check out the book fair. And I don't need parent volunteers this time. Please check your email for weekly school district feeding sites. I will email them to the parents whenever we receive updates. Virtual kindergarten roundup for next year's kindergarten class will be May 12th, and we're going to have 2 sessions, one at 11 o'clock a.m. and another at 6 o'clock p.m. I have emailed the link out to the new kindergarten parents. Let me know if you need to get it. Let's see what's happening for Earth Day in elementary art.
Good morning, PBMA. Welcome to Friday. Ms. Fisher here. I just wanted to share some of our Earth Day projects from last week. You guys did an amazing job, and check these out.
If you'd like to buy a yearbook, send a check to the school and put the student's name in the memo line. Yearbooks cost $40 per yearbook, and we will let parents know how they will be distributed. Elementary spring pictures have been mailed home. We're still awaiting the arrival of the secondary spring pictures, and then we'll mail those home. Here's a message from Miss Roop.
Go. Hi, PBMA families. It's Miss Roop. I just wanted to take some time to tell everybody how proud I am of all your hard work on distance learning. I've loved going into your Google Classroom, seeing all the amazing assignments you've done, all the time you're spending on iReady, Reflex Math, and Study Island. I've also enjoyed attending your live Google Meet sessions and seeing all of you guys participating in those interactions. Great job. Please keep up the great work. And parents, thank you for all your support and involvement during this time. And I'd also like to remind everybody that next week is Teacher Appreciation Week, so please show appreciation for your teachers. Stay safe.
Congratulations to our middle school honor roll students. Certificates will go out with the end of the year report cards. Mr. Bofici's education fund now stands at $10,730. It is still open for donations. The website is CesareRenoBofice.com. Thank you to everyone who has donated. And finally, here's Mr. Dvorak and the Sharks of the Month.
Hi PBMA, it's Christy Dvorak, elementary school counselor. Just wanted to say that I miss you all. I hope you're doing well and are safe. Just wanted to recognize our Sharks of the Month. We missed March, and so I just want to give a shout out to our March Sharks of the Month as well as this month for April. So our kindergarten Sharks in Miss Borsina goes to Katie and James. Miss Owens Sharks is Nadia and Kingston. Miss Watkins Sharks are Giovanni and Tiago. Miss Kennedy's Shark, Daniela and Shane. Miss Jordan's Sharks are Nathaniel and Ryan. So congratulations to my kindergarten Sharks. Our first grade Sharks, Miss Saunders goes to Dominic and Michael. Miss Ryerson's Shark, Avani and Chad. Miss Gonzalez's Sharks, John and Stessie. Miss Brown's Sharks goes to Isabella and Kaari. Miss Cruz's Shark, Austin and Anthony. Congratulations to my first grade Sharks. Our second grade Sharks, Miss Braylo's Sharks goes to Jonathan and Adriana. Miss Calvoni's Sharks, Namir and Charlize. Miss Martin's Shark, Anayeli and Ralph. Miss Searing's Sharks goes to Pedriana and Zara. So congratulations to my second grade Sharks. Our third grade Sharks, Miss Amarati's Sharks, Nayeli and Anais. Miss Keelis's Shark, Ruth and Gabriella. Miss Kiernan's Shark goes to Stevenson and Romeo. Miss Bryant's Sharks, Sanaya and Tamisha. Miss Augustine's Sharks goes to Jacob and Jaylee. Miss Rodriguez's Sharks goes to Markovich and Renee. So congratulations to my third grade Sharks. My fourth grade Sharks, Miss Victoria's Sharks are Samaya and Jemiah. Miss St. Julian's Sharks are Fagina and Jerian. Miss DeCarlo's Sharks, Jennifer and Sebastian. Miss Kiger's Sharks, Amaya and Mario. Mr. Wachecki's Sharks, Leilani and Jada. Congratulations, fourth grade. Our fifth grade Sharks, Mr. Thornton's Sharks are Jasmine and Bianca. Miss Calavito's Sharks goes to Ryan and Preston. Miss Lubin's Sharks, Quenisha and Chloe. And Mr. Shoemaker's Sharks are Gage and Ava. So congratulations to my fifth grade Sharks. I wish you could have popcorn with the principal, but maybe be creative, have popcorn with your parent, or just come up with another idea to celebrate your success in being respectful, responsible, and ready to learn. Your teachers will have a virtual brag tag for you. I also will be posting the certificates in my Google Classroom, so I hope you can check that out. When it's safe to get back together, I'll print it off and hand it to you. But for the time being, you can see the certificate in my classroom. Also, I am available in our Google Meets. I'd love to see you. Kindergarten, first grade, I have Google Meets on Mondays. Second and third grade, I do a Google Meet on Tuesdays. And fourth and fifth, I have a Google Meet on Wednesdays. So again, it's just a great way to check in with you, see how you're doing, as well as I show some YouTube clips from the Positivity Project as we continue to build our character. Thanks again for all your hard work as we are doing our best and not giving up.
Please remember to like and follow us on Facebook to stay informed of important information, now more than ever. I'm Mrs. Cooper. Thanks for watching. And remember, an engaged parent is a great parent.